In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a channel on Slack. Managing who has access to a Slack channel is an important part of keeping conversations organized, secure, and relevant to the right team members. If someone no longer needs access to a project channel, you can remove them without affecting their overall Slack account or their access to the rest of the workspace. This only removes them from that specific channel. Also, keep in mind that if the channel is private, they will immediately lose access to the message history in that space. Before you begin, it's helpful to know that permissions can vary. In public channels, workspace members can generally remove other users. In private channels, this is usually limited to the channel creator, a workspace admin, or a workspace owner. Also, no one can be removed from the main general channel since that channel is required for all workspace members. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Once you're in your workspace, go to the left sidebar and find the channel that contains the member you want to remove. Click on that channel to open it. Then, at the top of the conversation view, click the channel name in the header. This opens the channel details window where you can manage settings and participants. Inside that pop-up window, look for the navigation tabs near the top. Click on the Members tab. This section shows everyone who is currently part of the channel, and it also gives you a search bar to make finding someone much easier, especially in larger channels. Next, click into the Find Members search field and type the name or username of the person you want to remove. As you type, Slack will filter the member list for you. When you see the correct person appear, move to the right side of their row and click the More Options icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. A drop-down menu will open with available actions for that member. Click Remove from Channel. Slack will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to continue. Review the action, and if everything looks correct, click Remove to confirm. As soon as you do that, the member is removed from the channel immediately. In most cases, Slack will also post a small notification in the chat history showing that the person has been removed from the channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.